Machema Makwaba Shron Combra Badwam Ahosepe Jumadi so world of entertainment the fata wonino sumuno jadibi esomo meaning Sandra or hime ametiwa ejumenga me Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a straight up
where the jail sister Sandy be a guy
Ghana's entertainment perfect the jimegrad ya kengina ni bi esomo what I say was the way you know a few days to election. Then on Jesse Beja entertainment. Yeah, there's some more what back to back. Sa now yeah, election I make I will say yeah no election headquarters. Kokomuti power. Say obi so you obi now what's your jumana sia brabe face squad near your mobile. Well we promo no international level. Yeah ni abri because you tia jumana say. Now when you pay the neco war front, Abna Pokua Ahani was mobile sema baya. Girl, it's your Jumana said, damn. War any other workers are we say. Show me to say, Obi. Show my hine Quabana to senior men way more agent anymore. Who are you? It's Kokomoti power, Abna Pokua any war frontier. You don't know Cosa a corner or her good year Kutana Udia Goka, and you might want in a tumor. Any be him honum sa. The aunt once and you tip a crowd on the aunt once no. So honum say gospel musician Grace Ashidi assembly about 2 months and sooner. Make us oh mommy say the same way then can watch it. Because mama I same way old news are. Jemu be there yeah away. It's not me that sweetie obi to say Helena Rebels. It's not sister Sandy me tia daughters of glorious Jesus. And nothing I me tia get and friends. Where wono Debbie me Dina Hamilton mami ko de Sisu Twum ahaba kwekwa Celestine Donko omo pede nkofo a me so omo to gospel me honhom no na papa e ko say Kofi oh me da wasi omo penalty me fa me kaka na we mo de e oni dede sana de achi eti Grace Ashi eye old pioneers ni bia gospel music no omo di mu akwetene papa wodi nsemi abetudwa tie biba
especially when we are gospel camper yeah pretenders as the people yes maka I am saying it straight obi pharmacy so yeah gospel from yeah hypocrites yeah chimpa mama man say to say gospel musicians yeah what you say? Because what do me and what do my thank you.
Aha aya kwan ho enti na me so me still sana na ya wasare mi nyankopɔ ne wo sina di nyina meja koti omo mutim se omo no honhom no dore omo mutim se ye do omo nu na ya wasare mo me be kai old phone bi me squad omo ya guy rough daughters of glorious Jesus enyom ne baba bonti ne ya fasting 1 week ne de anu anointing wo you we mo dey say me my main trust me nyasem my main trust still make kai was so man ne kwabna santi obi abna pokua ya frontiers no osmo bonsema oni a wodi promo idea ne bae especially we are ready for war election headquarters Kokomoti power if we na question ne question the last in we fit dey free ya dey be some pan ye pa because squad na dey anim no I'm proud to be working here because we are ready for this election truth and honesty ya dey be some pan ye ere ewu kwada me woman crush Wednesday WCW Osmade na wo nsɛmbe yesima be mienu bi ma sister yi kama pese wo yo checheni na wo so checheni na wa doko school ni education edidi mu wo checheni no sa what talent sister we no se wo pesini obi obetimi asu se ye de na ekwa Nigeria award se onko hia Hilda Dokobu a eye Emilia Brobi momo nsɛm fama no woni na ye me woman crush Wednesday such a natural girl wohwe kuma wudumu a ye nipa 5 a omunko ye BBL omunye omu body are still omani ji omu natural body ho a waka ho anu nti na osmo me se bonsen fa me Emilia bro baby e fa ma me Sister Amy Finance, you are my woman crush Wednesday. Ghana ma you call where Juma pa. Why true it all, you still true. O share nipa ba ko ye kana sempa we industry ho and track ase ye twa to ne so. Yeah o Korea den ni nyina anya no kre. Sister o yo bi a enka makana hye. But still opemba enim. Onye obi nso kwa o ha adwen. Mo celebrate sia o mo de camera sia o mani wa ebida, onye ebida. Onye obi an ho nsem wono na ye me WCW because she deserves her flowers while sir or what I say more pia na ye guys all this media to YouTube ni mo na me no sinino me hu woni social media ho no ansa na be di hu adanse na pese me so me ye de me ko hwe bi ansa na asem de o kan we hu ba bia wo gina in fact movie the title ye daddy e wo YouTube I really enjoyed it. Where's in Nigeria for Ruth Kadiri mo ye na Sister Amy and a Tracy Boache. Omo YouTube ni so pon mo ni omo yim and the movie is very nice. If you feature Bella Samoa, Mr. JT, Emilia Brobe herself, and my favorite character in the movie is Sobolo. In fact, make it also per time na shebi. But her trailer no Daddy by Emilia Brobe, executive producer. But you share na unya time wako YouTube wako shebi amami. Why? Of Okuku Seku on Adom TV, Emilia Brobe de for to more YouTube and so title near Daddy. In fact, I really enjoyed the movie last night. Very nice. Yeah, unyamra ko YouTube. Show bi ne papa yere twem panani ade ye hyehyɛ adwuma ne ade end no. Oh, ko hwe bi mame. Yanto aso. Ade na peke, apeki. Kimpalute apeki. Palu, o season any. Hey, oh. We guy, oji ha no aji ha. Woje he na no kwagina MPP for stage so woje na omutwa ball wa na Kempaluta carry egu Ghana for yeah say wa kwagina ndc so platform dia na mbeka Palu e bi obi rest assign do ha when you hu hwade one fantana mu tree street no stage no so bra Palu bo ha no abo ha hwe ne bra ya diska kuma se for no so na ball nyom Kumarika for na ball nyom say ya jiska say you know so say mo ana mudi na so say last so say money ewu kendo wa mama once mo ana mudi na time last money ewu de bi am catch us say menya abochire say wa ko third party meboa eye na Kempaluta ye ntie wonyom na nyom ne kra mfa eni na Kempaluta carry aguna higher elections headquarters. Koko Moti Power, promo near guy. In fact, entertainment time by a mum from mammy. What is it? Kempaluta na edgy a cash out season. Me catch him while some by me Bejina catch him say business. While Bonnie one more one day, or perform wa. Was more bon send Paluta. Oh my god. Cash out season. Maminti hit. Ka suggest maminti hit Kofi Asamoah ho aka adwam nsem bi kwaso social ne so I think it's a big shout out to GH page me hu GH page ho but GH page me kwa kai na me hu sa page bi the think 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 e what TikTok e yabusua ha those go celebs in pon fa no ho na dey aduru no as I would dey wo che anas amre yaw anas information abaya no say abrantie no say akwala I don't even know who ejiji gu ho no wow me am shame na me kan hey omo say abaya etio me dey anya na make o na make some gossip page on TikTok honom think no and e be kan ya GH page fon so ka bi madam ma answer ba ko sister Sunday no dwene na ko wie research omo say Jackie oya TikToker me sure say munim na unim no TikToker la asu ana Kofi Asamoah American Tyler Perry omo chemu a Kofi Asamoah e ba mo kan say mo say Kofi Asamoah anyem getaway ana getaway ekoye abortion Jesus ka say just hallelujah konkonsamba Wow!
Oh, be the come.
Me go suminia. Enti om se obaye ne kwakwa de. Wa hiagu. Na me say oh, but oba de amamon keka sansem no. What I say? She is doing well. Onya cash nko fe mo promo kwa 10,000, 20,000 obeji. So you think she cannot take care of a baby to abort it? That is not cool. What the abortion to about so enye cry o but abaya ne suche ma once na se ma muncha santro we into so. Wa set a camera the ring light is him. Wa per filter to so or den someone nam muntie ne mba.
So, like, over the years, I've grown to learn that there's no bad publicity when it has to do with this industry, the media space. But this one, it's bad publicity because it's not true. The only time I've had an encounter with Kofi Asamoah was for a gig. And even with that, he finalized with my manager. It was concerning a Vodafone commercial. Portia Wikia was there, Dr. Likey was there, Otele was there. These Americans were there. And that was my last time. That was my last time of seeing Kofi Asamoah. I don't have any personal relationship with him. I don't even have his number. I don't follow him on his socials. He doesn't follow me. So where are you all getting this information from? I want to know. I really, really want to know. Yeah.
I'm sure you've seen posts and publications that I have impregnated some TikTok star, Joyce Mensah, Jacqueline Mensah. Please, I have not impregnated anybody. Asamo. I don't even know her. Like, I only know her as a TikToker, as an influencer. She's not my friend, never been my friend, never met her. I don't think she even has my number. I don't have. Minimum baby, I beg you. I have not impregnated nobody. Jackie Mensah, whatever. I don't know. I don't have a child. I beg you. I've not impregnated and dumped nobody. Please ignore such news and don't get scammed as well. I'm sure you've seen posts and publications that I have impregnated some TikTok star, Joyce Mensah, Jacqueline Mensah. Please, I have not impregnated anybody. Asamo. I don't even know her. Like, I only know her as a TikToker, as an influencer. She's not my friend, never been my friend, never met her. I don't think she even has my number. I don't have. Minimum baby, I beg you. I have not impregnated nobody. Jackie Mensah, whatever. I don't know. I don't have a child. I beg you. I've not impregnated and dumped nobody. Please ignore such news and don't get scammed as well.
And please ignore all false information because Jackie still was here once, and I also say. When she and that, ni didn't quite know no bo. But never take a goods account serious. Never in your life. Sa page me kai pa say me crimes were truly me da. Me teme kunkum na afia man kwata makulu. Me kai wase ba akwe pimp, ba ku shiwi, ba I know they mean to mean she mo bi bisa say e bia oni abaya ba ku no twesene ne wo ho a. Oh. But once I go for me, so me bisa na na asem e would defend me. Me kwa me hu the same thing na me bisa me say na dey asem atu me say things there amunyai. Now I set the camera ring light. Me hospice my ring light si wanim. Amu chirem na nyame ya me because wo be memu. Wo boy adwuma kra. I was say no kra. Oh, you lose nothing. You don't lose anything. Yanka sabi we adwumadi fo. Yes wo boy adwuma. It say ya dia to say wo ba jitum say wo bo wase na me nto aso na sa page ne de nya correct ba ko ni say mo pay attention Ghana fanka say mo pe kokonsa mo ko follow bi ti say page si o mo cheche tech and ini ade o so ya pe kokonsa me so me serve obi wa ha ko tie we ya de me no me serve wa manim na me de kasa ko tie obi o no nanim na page so sorry o kan sem hunu sa Shatawale atoda ya mane mame bonsema SM fans ningina bonsema yengina ana ne bi ka sanya na kudi ko konsa yo nsa fe na so once na compound house awo ho so kwasi a obi ka one blow na so ayo nsa se asa wona wo two blow no sa ne de nam se shata atoda ya mane mame na wo kai se ensem ne ba montina ne mame be video se oni ba bi tini ade he ya na be story no it is a water was some sabe story no wa hase sa na adwuma ne tie no kreka de e da yanim na oto dan no netizens essage na social ne so say ya mba hyehyɛ tawala nkonto dan mane mama na me say he wo ne hwan wo ne hwan abema shatawali pressure am na to ne mane mama woni mo bi account mu woni the finances sometimes you don't know e bi kwa no pipeline more planning but the way the woman came out to say the thing no and na nka enye guy what I say me catch him me say wa anya de but woni hwan aka say me na mama shatter pressure am na to ne mane mama me blame Sammy Flex say presentation or kind of video nim say omo pese omo ho beba am say na we Sammy o kan den bra pen o kan den enti adan ni nie fe bedrooms no man ka say 3 and a 4 but this is a very beautiful house. Well done, Wally, from your heart to your mommy. This is Tamuke location going on night very akokonade enti here fie no ne fe Emma, na yema omo congratulations. You know that. Yeah, her mercy say.
More and tells her that, oh, maybe you and Dan, including all of us within the management team, we decided that, okay, this is not what we want. This is not the kind of impact or stories we want to be going out there. Therefore, let's all come together to solve this. Therefore, Shatawale said, no problem. Called more and tells her that, oh, maybe you and Dan, you guys should start, it's PA, you guys should start scouting. Let's see if you can get some beautiful house to get for the old woman. And they started. Run to some places and they got the house. Including all of us within the management team.
It's all of us who are here congratulating you because why are there? And not the air by a copy. I'm sure no man quatenting says why we are my mammy. Yeah, can according to so the letter I bet to Krum say election matter to Paps Muniade. Your motor and Shadan family signature and an fair. Muslim say signature and evidence of Omukuno. So Mubro Papa. Inti no mo de abeto nti Mr. Pab woness nya de ade. Kofo no mo no mo nsama mo ne se omo maadwu masa ade no. Ti mu nyina mo ntutum fama ye. Why? Na men kan cho say election na mu ne ye wo no. Abrantie bi all the way from Asante Wochima or Krama Ghana fo nyina. Over to you.
Within the
Yantiasia, Yanya party loser, Yantias, only one Yantiasia. Omo Brown. Who says you would them, until now open to Kakono, a jabet to Ghana. Quite only one about 100 Janaba to Ghana. O party loser now to mean no money man who are pescare to quine. O shall now enough for best one who are paid round no coon, and confront to come rainy pa. O girl when you're for home, and now worry 1 minute. Unta asasi bia nya wadwen se wo besi da nti na pese ja to Ghana no
enti enti on sa asem no 8 ya asem no de cheche tia fefe fe wan tia mensa mo bia mu nchewa mensa so o mo so man tsa fa ma o mama me why
ono ma na be ko won ha de ja na be to Ghana o pa she ya ntiase ya nya party loser ya ntiase ono ma na ntiase Omo Brown. Who says you would them until now open to Kakono, a jabet to Ghana. Quite one one about 100 Janaba to Ghana. O party loose now to mean no money man who are pescare to quine. O shall now enough for best one who are paid round no coon, and confront to come rainy pa. O girl when you're for home, and now worry 1 minute. Unta asasi bia nya wadwen se wo besi da nti na pese ja to Ghana no.
Kwante musio asem na na atwa so tiawa T for tiawa eno na yaboso a kire oge ho nyefe onware wa asase bi wo adisuade hu bi da wani mu a wonye wi ampadu kra pa visa bo ne passport kra wonye sa na wa woni passport wate yanko some of the things are memne da yebetini bi ballot papers me hu video me yam shebe me se enche omo de be hye Kumase manu ensi me boss se Kumase ready why be mo hwa dia why na elne awne ya wonti ana mo haya dodo mo ma yenya ye dodo e ka say ballot is it a parrot tie ne bra
total valid ballot 93,938 93,938. Total rejected ballots. Total rejected ballots.
But tia di bia mra na yesa. Oh.
Total valid ballot. 93,938. 93,938. Total rejected ballots. Total rejected.
I'm invalid and I'm rejected ballot into my pong. Adeng. Well, Kofi Ampadu, I'm a director. OPD, I'm a producer. We are invalid. I'm crossing on the ballot paper. I'm out. What? Mama informed me for you being your coin. Say ballot. King of Moses, big up yourself. Thomas, big up yourself. Yebe.